Josh. How long were the two of you friends, Josh?
A few years now.
And were you good friends, Dave?
Yes.
Well, what was your job at the time you took out the phone contract?
I was a driver valeter at Halfords.
And what about you, Josh?
I was a bar supervisor.
Right, so the two of you worked full-time, both of you?
Yes.
Splendid, very good. Now, at some point, Josh, there is an arrangement where Dave takes out a phone contract on your behalf.
Yes.
Now, you've got a job, you're working full-time, you've got income. Why don't you take the phone contract out yourself?
My credit rating is poor.
What debts did you get into where you couldn't pay?
Mainly payday loans.
Not a happy thing to do, right?
No.
Give me an idea. At the time Dave took the mobile contract out on your behalf, give me a sense of the level of your debt, roughly.
I've been slowly paying back around that time about £4,000.
In total?
Yes.
And had you spread that over a period?
Yes.
So roughly how much were you paying back each month?
Roughly about £250.
And were you aware of that, Dave, at the time you took the mobile phone contract out on Josh's behalf?
Yes, I was.
So you were doing him a favour, correct?
Yes.
So you go into the mobile phone shop with Josh.
No, I done it over the phone. I had a contract out already.
You had a contract out already?
Yep.
No problem with that?
No.
And Josh comes to you and says what, exactly?
He fixed my laptop for me, and I returned a favour, boy. He asked me about my old phone, if he could have my old phone. So I wanted to upgrade, and they said that I can't upgrade, so take out another contract.
Right.
So I took out another contract, and the agreement that Josh paid the contract £24 a month.
Right, let me understand that and break it down.
Okay.
So you've got an existing contract with a mobile phone provider.
Yes.
And you phone them up and you say, I want an upgrade, and they say it's too soon for a new upgrade. In order for you to get a new phone, you have to pay off the rest of whatever the contract is. It's 12 months, you've got 6 months left, 6 months.
Yes.
What do you say? What do you do? It's what I'm trying to understand. You then say what to them?
They asked me if I can take out another contract.
So you could take two contracts out?
Take two contracts in my name.
Right.
And then I phoned Josh after.
Which would have meant, just pause, would have meant you'd have kept the existing handset.
Yeah.
And that contract would continue.
Yeah.
And then you'd get a new handset and you'd have your own personal contract.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Right. Are you saying that Josh took the new one?
Josh took the new one.
Why did you give him the new one?
Because I was happy with my phone.
Right. So you took the new handset, and it was a pretty upmarket kind of handset, to say the very least.
Yes.
And am I right that you were satisfied to keep the existing one because there was only a few months for you to get the upgrade in any event?
Yes.
Sensible.